In the summer of 1944, American headlines hailed a hero, General Mark W. Clark, the man who led U.S. troops into Rome. But behind that moment of triumph was a decision that stunned Allied commanders, and may have changed the course of the war. Mark Wayne Clark was one of the youngest four-star generals in U.S. history. A West Point graduate, a close ally of Eisenhower, and a man whose ambition was as strong as his battlefield drive. He took command of the U.S. Fifth Army in 1943 and was thrown into one of the hardest theaters of World War II, the Italian campaign. Germany's Gustav Line had stalled the Allies for months. Clark's forces endured horrific losses trying to push through at Monte Cassino, one of the most fortified and symbolic battlegrounds of the war. When the breakthrough finally came in May 1944, the path was clear: move northeast, trap the retreating German 10th Army, and end the campaign quickly. But Clark made a different call. Instead of cutting off the Germans at Valmontone, he diverted his army northwest, toward Rome. This wasn't strategy. It was symbolism. Clark wanted the headlines. He wanted Rome. Tens of thousands of German troops escaped, reinforcing positions in northern Italy and dragging the campaign out for months longer. Winston Churchill was furious. Field Marshal Alexander was stunned. Even Eisenhower expressed his disappointment. Clark got his front-page moment. But at what cost? Despite his battlefield success, Clark's decision left a mark on his legacy. He later commanded UN forces in Korea and was honored for his service, but never again held a major combat command in Europe. To some, he's a tactical genius. To others, a cautionary tale of ego in wartime leadership. So, was Mark Clark a brilliant general, or a man who let personal ambition shape the war? Let us know in the comments. And if you're into untold stories of military leaders and battlefield tech, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more coming.